Welcome to St. Mary's Angel College of Valenzuela. I am Lisha, a Marian Angel. This is our school regular uniform and our PE uniform. St. Mary's Angel is a Catholic school. We have a chapel in school. This is where we pray Papa Jesus, Mama Mary, and to our Archangel. St. Mary's Angel is also a Chinese school. They are teaching a Mandarin Chinese language subject. We are also celebrated Chinese New Year with a dragon dance. St. Mary's Angel heartily accommodates students with different disabilities, which is a gift and LSP for mainstreaming program. They are promoting LSP homeroom awareness and stop hating and campaign or anti-bullying. We are also promoting a safe, clean canteen